And we come to the final demo teaser. So unlike what was announced, it will not be Tomas Ferreira who presents, but Tomas Achaval, sorry, Martin Ferreira, Tomas Achaval will now present from the startup YLab.
Yes.
And he will present closing the automation loop with YLab NWDAF, OSM, and OAI 5G core.
Thank you very much. So I'll move forward with this. Hi, good to see you again. For those who we have not met yet, I am Tomas. I'm founder of YLab. We look to unlock the real power of 5G with an NWDAF. Today, I'm going to talk to you four main topics. First, what is an NWDAF? Why it is important? Why YLab is more than an NWDAF and why we are differentiated. And finally, we're going to show you how we're going to do the demo outside. So let's start with what? NWDAF is a network function called Network Data Analytics Function. And it's standardized by the 3GPP, and its purpose is to give AI capabilities to 5G networks. Why is this important? This morning, Ed said, today we're talking about the future of 6G, but the CSPs are yet implementing 5G standalone or just the mobility broadband slice. There's a lot of capabilities that have not been implemented yet. We need to take everything that people in this group have thought for years to scale to the service providers. For that, we need AI and automation. NWDAF brings you that. How is YLab different? Well, we can say that we have 4 steps in which we do things. First, we collect network data. Any NWDAF collects core network data from the core through the SBI interface. We also collect OAM data to have the infrastructure, know how the infrastructure is working using 3GPP standards, and we connect to the MANO using ETSI standards so that we can, with the knowledge we get, automate what the network does. Second, we are planning to have a drag and drop interface so that anyone within a network can select what things to observe so that they can understand how their network is working and how their clients are having their experience. Third, we think that we're going to have analytics use cases built by us, but we believe that the best thing we can do is open so that any engineer can build their own analytics use cases. These use cases can be triggering an alarm or triggering an automation event. And with all the people building use cases step by step, we will get to a zero-touch operation. So outside, we have a demo of a live NWDAF working on a network. And the use case that we're going to show you, closing the automation loop, looks to prove all of these concepts that I just told you. First, observability of customer experience and network load. Second, use AI or machine learning to detect anomalies. And third, solve an anomaly automatically by scaling a network function or deploying a new slice. What we did is we deployed an OAI network on AWS using Kubernetes, and we deployed an OSM, open source MANO. And we have our solution. I don't know if you can see my mouse. Oh, we can't. That is an NWDAF and an automation engine. We generate an incident that stresses the UPF. The NWDAF detects that, and we ask the automation engine to ask the MANO to deploy a new slice so that we can solve this problem that we generated. There's the solved network, and this shows all of the closed loop that I was talking to you about. We are a startup. We started located in San Jose, California. We are working with service providers in Latin America, like America Mobile, with Cisco, with a partner called Beyond. We're working to one of the biggest service providers in the US. We are part of 5G Open Innovation Lab, that's T-Mobile's accelerator. And we're happy to be part of OpenAirInterface. So if any of you want to collaborate with the project or has questions or suggestions, we're open to it. We're looking to unlock the real power of 5G. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Thomas. And with that said, we are now through the demo teasers. So we come to the end now. If it was not obvious, now there will be all the demos of all the demo teasers that we have just seen. So basically the demos, they will be, if you get out this door behind this open space, so there's a small room with the screens, maybe you have already seen, there will be all the demonstrations. At the same time, we will start the little reception. So in the program, it's mentioned social event at 5:30. So we will start now with that. So for this, there will be some refreshments if you get out on this side. And yes, please stick around, talk and see the demos, talk to us if you have any questions. And I wish you a lot of fun.